Hey, Mike McGroarty here from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Today, this is going to be a real short video, but one of the things that comes up a lot is like landscape fabric, the fabric cloth that they sell that you can put under, put on the ground and then cover with mulch or whatever for weed control. I'm not a big fan of that stuff, and anybody who's been around me for any length of time knows that. And the reason I say that because I spent, I don't know, 25 years in the landscape business, and I pulled out miles and miles and miles of that stuff that was completely riddled with weeds that grew on top of the cloth. It was an absolute nightmare. Now, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do two short videos here, and we'll put them on the same page. But to give you an idea how poorly, now what I'm standing on here, this is actually a nursery ground cover cloth. This is the really good, really heavy duty stuff. And as you can see, last fall I left this pump hose laying here, so we haven't been able to do anything with this area. And for no good reason, all of this quackgrass has grown on, I don't think it grew on top of the, maybe it did, but there's no soil, no mulch or anything on top of this ground cover cloth. There's no holes in it right here, and that quackgrass is growing right through it. Now just imagine if you put a nice thick layer of mulch over top of that, it will work perfectly for a while. But then as that mulch breaks down, it turns into topsoil, weed seeds blow in, and they grow in the mulch, and then they root through this fabric into the ground. Then you have an absolute mess because you got mulch or stone or whatever you put on top of it, weeds growing through that, anchoring it to the ground. So my point is, I'm just not a big believer in that. I mean, a nice thick layer of mulch, and then if you want to use a pre-emergent herbicide on top of that, like a granular, like Preen or something like that, that works really well. But as you can see, this stuff does not keep weeds at bay, at least not for any length of time. And that's my point of making this video here. Then this is the heavy duty stuff, not the real flimsy stuff that you can see through that they sell at a lot of garden stores. All right, now I'm going to show you a good use of this stuff and in kind of a temporary basis. So anyway, Mike McGroarty from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com on weed barrier fabric.